Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. I am doing a kit share video today. This is my holiday kit for this year. I don't normally do a kit video for the holidays. I usually just use what I have Christmas-wise, but I decided this year I needed something new. And this is what I chose. It is the 49 and Market Art Options Holiday Wishes collection. And it's really beautiful, you guys. So I have quite a bit here. We will see. Actually, this doesn't go with this kit. I'm sure it could be used with it, but it's not from this kit. So lots of beautiful things in here. I have the 6x8 collection pack. It's got 28 sheets, 3 each of 9 double-sided pattern papers, plus a fussy cut element sheet, which is probably on the back of this. That's normally what they do. Or on the back of this. So we'll take a quick look at that. And I don't know that I'll open every single thing if they have a good display on the back of what it is, but okay, so let's see what's on the back. Oh no, it's just a paper. So that's really pretty. What I really liked about this kit is that it brings in these darker reds and these aqua turquoise blues, which you don't see that super often. Okay, so we've got 3 sheets of this one with the truck, but look at this side. Oh, the candy cane paper. And then I have this in the 12x12 also. So I'll try to be a little bit quick going through this. I really like this paper with the pretty lantern. And that red is just gorgeous. And we don't have cardinals where I live. At least not that we see, but it has the really pretty cardinal. And then I love this side, this really pretty ice blue color. Gorgeous. And I love that it brings in the lime green, you guys. Look at that limey green. It's coming in here. And then this darker, rich green. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one's really pretty too. This would be really great to make card bases out of, you know, like, ooh, that's pretty too. Hard choice. Thankfully there's 3 in there. And here's that dark red I was talking about, which is really awesome with that lime green. It gets into the wine colors. Oh my gosh. Look at that lime green. It still looks good with it. Oh, so pretty. I was going to say this paper looks just like the last one, but look at this. This will be fun to do like a double page out of if you're doing 6x8, but when I get to the full size, I bet it's very similar. And then we've got these houses with little tiny deer and little fences and trucks. That's really cute. This one's just got some foliage on it. I've got an extra piece there. And then the truck. Super cute. And we've got the wreath. They always have a wreath, it seems like. The wreath paper. And the back is this yellow and green. Super usable. And then here is the cut apart sheet. It is on... Oh, look at that. We've got 2 pieces of this one. I think that was what was at the beginning too. No, it's not. I don't know. Got 2 pieces of this one. So pretty. And then a cut apart here. So I think that's absolutely stunning. And now, there we go. There's the back. So I'm just going to set that to the side. I won't make you watch me put it all away because that's really time consuming. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the 12x12. I actually have 2 packs of the 12x12. It's 8 double-sided paper, 1 of each design, and that is why I have 2, is because I like to do double pages sometimes, and sometimes I want to use 2 pieces. So I bought 2 packs of it, you guys. Sorry about all that crinkling. Okay, so this one has the cut apart on it. Lots of florals, some Christmas trees. Very mixed media, like Christmas trees with type on them. I think that's kind of cool. Same with the little house there. Very cool. I'm not going to open the second one. You just know I have 2 sheets of each one. A beautiful red, and that candy cane stripe. And the trucks. There's that lantern again. I love that. I think that's really pretty. And there's the green and yellow that we saw at the end of the small pack of paper. The wreath with the pretty blue on the back. Very different for Christmas. This is anyway. I like that, you know, I could take this and use it for non-Christmas layout and you would never know. Same with the yellow and green paper. This is, oh, so pretty. I love the big wine stain looking thing. And again, you could use it for non-Christmas. You would never even know. So anything that I don't use will just go so great with my stash because it can be used for anything. This is really pretty also. I love this poinsettia looking stuff. And more of that blue. And this one has like, it almost looks like mountains and trees. Very subtle. Little foliage and berries and that really pretty green again. I like that too. This is the one oh, maybe, you know what? There isn't 2 of these. Oh, that's pretty. But I'm glad I got 2 of everything because, like I said, I can do double pages, but I love it. So pretty. And we have the little houses with the little deer on it and the candy cane stripe, which is super cute. So I have 2 sets of that. And then I bought the 12 by 12 transfer sheet. So these are rub-ons. I like the truck. If you wanted it on a different sheet of paper, here's your chance. If you want to do a different kind of wreath on a different spot on the paper, you have options. You can use some white paper to bring in to backfill your, if I didn't have enough paper, I could bring in the white and do the rub-ons on it to backfill to create enough layouts for it. Looks like it has houses too. They're a little bit hidden up here. So this is what the top looks like. It's got the houses, the poinsettia or poinsettia, I don't know how you say it. 2 of the cardinals, which even if we don't have cardinals and I don't want to use the cardinal, you could still use it like this. Or, you know, who cares if there's cardinals on it and I don't have cardinals in my neighborhood. It's not a big deal. Okay, I have these, what they call wishing bubbles and trinkets. They're epoxy coated sticker embellishments. Look at the little deer. It's so cute. And the bird. And look at these little tiny light bulbs. Aren't those awesome? Ugh. I love that it's got like Christmas with the definition, Merry and Joy with the definition. That is super cute. And actually the background paper that it's on is super cute too. It looks very much like this. So it's got like the stars in the different colors. So you could even use that. Use the packaging. Why not? Okay, this is the laser cut elements. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Some buttons, foliage. So it's going to have all this good stuff in it. I don't know if I should open it or not. Why not? Let's open it, you guys. This is going to be a longer video. I thought it was going to be short, but no, it's going to be longer. So here is the first set. Oh no, let's see here if I can get it all on screen. There we go. Get it all on screen. So tabs, some stamps, labels, some fiber looking papers, bows, buttons, some metal looking, some deer, some foliage, small word stickers, phrase stickers, whatever you want to call those. The insides of this one is coming out already. Okay. This one has twine, it looks like, for on packages and such, and lots of greenery and poinsettias. Really pretty. Those are just the little pieces. And then the back of the packaging has some cut aparts on it as well. So I love that they do that, because you always get just a little bit extra than what you thought you were getting. It's like a little surprise. I did say I wasn't going to sit here and put all these away, but oh well. That one just didn't take very long, I guess. Okay, I did get these floral pieces, and I only bought one of each of these because I don't tend to use things that are this dimensional on layouts, but every once in a while I do. So I thought I'd go ahead and get them just in case. And then I've got the Holiday Wishes Rub-On Transfer Set. It comes with all of these. I'm just going to put these up close rather than opening them. So we've got another wreath, some deer, lots of foliage, lots of those mixed media trees over here. And then down here you've got words. And I love these background bits and pieces that you can use as rub-ons or in the background for mixed media pieces. Those are awesome. And this is the Ephemera bits, 63 mix and match pieces. Some of them are large, but not all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open this just because it's really hard to tell from this picture what you're getting. They're kind of layered up. So again, the packaging, you can use that. There's one of those trees there. Wreath, labels, layering pieces, and a larger wreath, lots of the trees. Another label, Hello December, the lantern, Christmas wishes, please pay cashier, It's a Wonderful Life, the truck, the mixed media little house, some little notebook pieces. It's got like the notebook spiral bound edge. Another one of those little ticket things. More of the houses, all through the house, a label, the cardinal, couple of tickets. This one says Days of Advent, Happy Holidays, Making Memories, Winter Wonderland, Christmas Town, Holly Jolly Christmas, White Christmas. I find those to be a lot better than Choose Happy. I think that's kind of weird that people are telling you to choose happy, but you know, every once in a while it's okay, but when you get a lot in a kit, it's a little bit much. I like these little frames. Those are kind of cool. This is the inside of a frame, yep. Layering pieces or journaling spots. Season's greetings. More tickets. More layering and journaling area spots. Several tags here. A red one. These ones are like little pieces of paper. I don't know that you want to use that, but it's like a little stack of paper with a paper clip. And it was tucked inside this little frame, which is kind of cool. It's like a twofer. You get the inside and the outside are both usable. And then this one, that's funny. I actually thought that was stacked up. I was like, oh, there's more than one. But yeah, that's what you get in that pack. And then this is the chipboard set. And this one I'm not going to open because you can easily see what is in here. So you get all of these bits and pieces. There's 61 chipboard pieces. They are not adhesive backed, so you have to do that yourself. I like how it says merriest, and that one says under the tree. So it's a little bit different words than what we've seen on the other ones. This one says it's tree time, holiday traditions, naughty or nice, magical, ho ho ho, good cheer. So a little bit different than the other sayings, which is kind of nice. And that is it, you guys. So that is what I'm going to be playing with for December on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays for the most part. There might be a day or two that I sneak some other things in there or do something a little different, but that is my goal. So I hope that you enjoyed my kit share and come back to see how I use it. Thanks. Bye.